one. On you go. Hannah's setting off at a great rate of knots already. Definitely experienced there. I swatted foot on her chin. And she's handling that like a professional. In fact, they both are. He's driving almost as well as my wife. Real neat, slick, turning the far end. That's Hannah on the Marshall. I'll be making the turn now on the big Foster with the canopy on. But Hannah definitely out in front here. I'll be putting in a late sprint. That's it, you girl, you wind her around. But it's Hannah who got off at the line first. There we go. Ooh, that did havoc on my hearing aid. I'll be just enjoying herself there, and I'll tell you, if I got up on one of those things, I'd enjoy myself too. Down you come. If we could have our first two heat winners, two girls from Donegal, Lindsay and Tracy, go head to head here in the first semi-final.